that there were certain distractions. The Bible says here that Samuel served the assistant to Eli. So he was busy serving the man, and he never heard the voice of God. There were many distractions. Laas week was Vrydagoggend 6:45 in die platteland atletiek baie vroeg. Gaan kyk ons na Jana en Anja en hy se atletiek by die skool. Kyk, Jana is nie gebou vir spoed nie, maar sy hardloop met 'n groot glimlag. Heel laaste in haar groep. En haar oë is op die galery en daar sien sy haar oupa tussen al die mense en sy smile en gaan nog stadiger en ek smile en waai net terug. Al is my kleinkind gelaas, ek is so trots op haar. Na die tyd kom sy na my toe, sy sê vir my, ek dog ek kry 'n drukkie, oupa, I love you. Sy sê, oupa, jy was 'n distraction. And in the same way we need to be that for our Jesus. To love people, to shine for those around us. Doesn't matter what the world say or think about us. We are in love with Jesus. And if they see Christ in us, that's more than enough. And the very first place God is calling you to show the love of God is your family. The reason why God gave you a family is so that we can exercise, practice to love one another.